Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. A lot of you have been asking me how I curl my hair because in some of my pictures on Instagram I do sometimes have my hair curly, and this is the way my hair is. My hair is naturally very thick and very full and very long. I don't chemically damage my hair, so that's why it looks so shiny and healthy, because I do actually take care of my hair. If you guys do want a hair routine, then let me know. First, I'm going to part my hair from like the arch of my brow and then the crown of my head. Then I'm going to part it in the middle all the way towards the back. And then one side I will tie it in a knot, and then the other side I will section it and then clip the other hair away from my face, just so it won't be in the way while I'm curling my hair. The curling iron that I'm using is from Conair. I'm just going to turn it on, and then the highest heat it has, it is 25. It's so old that it pretty much erased, but it does have a red button, and you do have to turn on the green button as well. I've been through curling irons so much, and then this is the only kind of curling iron I love for my hair, just because I do have very thick hair. And I'm not going to be grabbing small sections just because I do want like a natural wave. I don't want like Shirley Temple curls. And this is the 1.5 inch, I believe. I will leave it down below. And then I did start from the root of my hair, and then I will be pulling my hair slowly into the curling iron. You do not want to start at the ends of the hair, just because you don't want to break your hair in the end, just because that hair, the ends of your hair are pretty much already dead, and you don't want to damage them more. As you can see here, I did start in the root of my hair, and then slowly I will be dragging the curling iron down, and I will be filling my hair over the rod, just in case I feel like parts of my hair are not warm. And you do want to make sure you leave it there for a couple of seconds. I don't leave it long. I think I just leave it for like 20 to 15 seconds, just depending on how tight I want the curl. Then I'm going to be grabbing another section. I don't do like amazing sections. I just part the hair however I want to. And then I just grab from the back towards the front. And then here I'm going to be doing, you see how I grabbed my hair at the end right here? You don't want to do that because the heat's not going to distribute good over all your hair. And if you keep doing that, you will damage the ends of your hair more, and you will have fried ends more. So you do want to start in the root of your hair like I'm doing here, and then slowly pulling the curling iron outwards, and it's going to be pulling your hair into the rod. And you do want to, that's going to help you get a tighter curl, and it's going to last longer on your hair, because if you do grab your hair in the ends of your hair and then roll it up, the heat's not going to distribute right, and it's not going to curl as good as starting from your roots. And here I'm going to curl away from my hair. Just keep in mind that I am curling all my hair away from my face, just because that frames my face. You obviously have to curl your hair a couple of times just to find what frames your face. A lot of people like when you curl inwards, but me, to frame my face, I like it to go outwards. Now I'm just going to be curling my hair, and I'll be right back once I get to my bangs. This is where I start curling my bangs. As you guys can tell, I do curl my bangs backwards, like towards the back of my head, and I do leave my bangs a little bit longer than my other hair, just because I do want the curl tighter on the top of my hair, just because those curls do drop faster. So I'm just going to be grabbing sections, little sections, just because I do want the heat to really go into my hair. And again, I do not have extensions. This is all my hair. I will leave all the products I use on my hair down below if you guys are interested. And then you guys can see, I will just grab a clip and just clip my bangs to the side, and then go to the other side and finish the other side of the curls. Again, I would just be grabbing little sections and then starting from the root and then slowly pulling my hair into the curling iron, because this is going to help the longevity of your curl, and it's going to distribute the heat better into your hair, and the curl is going to last a little bit longer. I think I already said that, but I'm just going to be curling. This side is easier than my other side just because I have less hair on this side, just because I do part my hair on this side and then my bangs and all that. So this is just like the easiest part. Don't be scared to touch the rod and touch your hair just to see if it feels warm or not. Just be careful not to burn yourself. I've been curling my hair for years, so pretty have a lot of control about this. So I'm just going to continue and curling my hair, and I'll be right back and tell you how to style it and not to use hairspray on your hair, just because hairspray can weight down the curls. Just depends on what hairspray you use. So I do recommend to not use hairspray, but I will show you guys what to do when you're done curling your hair. Well, I'm just going to be grabbing my fingers and my hands. Make sure you wash your hands, just because you don't want to put oil back into your hair, just because it will weight the curls down. So I'm just going to run my fingers through all the curls and grab pieces that I need to curl a little bit more, and then put them back in the curling iron. And then again, I will just run my fingers through that hair and just style it. I don't add no hairspray to my hair, just because hairspray is heavy and it will weight down your hair. You could add like a texturizing spray or like a holding spray, but no hairspray, just because it is heavy. And I'm just going to be putting it back just because that's the way I like to style it. If you guys could tell, it's more like a wave and not so much of a curl. This is how I like to have my hair. Sometimes I do a little bit tighter, but usually I just do it with this curling iron, and I love the way it looks. And again, I do not have extensions. This is all my hair. Well guys, this is how I curl and add waves to my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let me comment down below on what videos would you like to see next. Also, all the products used in this video will be down in my description box. Also, it's on my social media, so you guys can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.